Go.
Take one. What's your name? What's your name? Isn't Mary or Sue? What's your name? Do I spend a chance with you? It's so hard to find a personality which are like yours for me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I had a girl, and Donna was her name. Until she left me, I'd never been the same. Oh, I love my girl, Donna. Oh, where can you be? Oh, where can you be? You're 1,000 miles away. Oh, but I still have your love to remember you by. Oh, my darling, please dry your eyes. Daddy's coming home too. Oh, I fell for you, and I knew the vision of your loveliness. I hope and I pray that someday I'll be the vision of your happiness. You're mine. Yes, we belong together. Yeah. Yes, we belong together. For eternity, while I'm far away from you, my baby, who whisper a little prayer for me, my baby, and tell all the stars up above that song is dedicated to the one I love. Whoa, oh, yeah.